Which representation shows y as a function of x? So first I'm going to check my graphs. What I'm looking for is which one of these relationships only has one y value for each of its x's. So an x can only be associated with one y value. Otherwise, it's not a function. So let's check choice A. Starting at the leftmost point of the graph, this looks okay. It's just 1 point, but as soon as I start to go to the right, you can see I have boop, boop, 2 spots where my line touches the graph. And that's going to be the case all the way until I get to the end, where it finally is just 1 point again. So A is not the correct answer because at almost every point, I have 2 points of intersection between the graph and my vertical line that I have drawn here on my patty paper. Let's look at choice B. Choice B has a vertical line here, and you can tell there are many points where this is touching the line on this left side of my triangle. So right away I can tell this is not a function. Now there's 2 points, boop, boop, 2 points, boop, boop, and it's 2 points until I get to the vertex on the right side, and that's really the only part where my graph has just one value. So all of these are problematic, all of these areas, because the graph, each x is associated with more than one y for all of these values to the left of positive 2. Okay, now this one, I can see negative 11 has one y value, negative 14 has one y value, negative 17 has one y value, and negative 20 has one y value. That's good. So there's only one arrow going out of each of my x's. 16 here looks good, 18 looks good, 20 looks good, but not 22, because 22 is associated with both 25 and 27. So the only one here that was a function was answer choice C. And my patty paper with just one simple line drawn on it was a helpful tool to see that.